Morphogenetic fields unveiled, tracing the arcane path of hidden knowledge through time and space. Hello everyone, this is MEF Dynamics, and today we will embark on a journey that delves into the very fabric of reality itself. A journey that takes us into the realm of morphogenetic fields. I, your guide on this intellectual odyssey, invite you to join me as we unravel the historical enigma behind these elusive fields, peer into the shadows of their secrecy, and even speculate about their potential influence in the annals of ancient history. So fasten your mental seatbelts as we embark on a voyage that promises to expand our understanding of reality, challenge our conventional paradigms, and perhaps even unveil hidden truths that have eluded us for centuries. Welcome to the captivating exploration of morphogenetic fields, unveiling hidden dimensions. Embarking on a journey through the corridors of scientific exploration, we find ourselves in the presence of a concept that is both enigmatic and electrifying: the elusive realm of morphogenetic fields. Morphic fields have been kept a secret throughout history, leading back to the 3rd century BC, and kept as a sacred power hidden among ancient rulers. Morphogenesis, the coming into being of living organisms, was then redescribed and defined in the 4th century BC by Aristotle, progenitor of biology and embryology. Over the centuries, it had been the subject of innumerable commentaries by philosophers, theologians, and scientists, but no consensus has ever been reached as to its causes. Ancient rules continued to keep it a secret from the people, ensuring their reign for decades to come. In 19th century, along with the emergence of cellular and molecular biology, embryology underwent a renaissance and became a topic of great interest and research. It wasn't until the 1920s that many developmental biologists began rediscovering this sacred power to the masses by proposing that all biological organization depends on fields, variously called biological fields or developmental fields or positional fields or morphogenetic fields. But it was visionary biologist named Rupert Sheldrake who really brought this sacred power to the light and introduced morphic fields to the masses, as this captivating concept beckoned us to traverse the labyrinthine territory where consciousness and reality intertwine. Over several decades, the field concept was elaborated and refined by embryologists who devised brilliant experiments to substantiate its existence. By the 1930s, morphogenic fields were widely accepted among embryologists and had become the subject of textbooks. The discovery of the DNA structure by Watson and Crick in the early 1950s decisively settled matters, and thereafter the two disciplines pursued different lines of inquiry. After World War II, embryology and the field concept went into a decades-long decline. By the 1980s, an increasing number of scientists began to critically re-examine the morphogenic field concept, and it underwent a second renaissance. Still, morphic fields seem to remain as a cult, as leading rulers still keep things quiet in regards to its true power. As we set forth on this voyage of discovery, we will delve deeply into the historical underpinnings of morphogenetic fields, explore the layers of secrecy that have veiled their existence, and glimpse perhaps into the annals of history where ancient kings may have harnessed the esoteric power of these fields. Ancient wisdom and the seed of morphogenetic fields. The origins of morphogenetic fields can be traced back to the ancient wisdom traditions that held reverence for the interconnectedness of all life. Echoes of this understanding resonate in the sacred texts of civilizations across the world. In Eastern philosophies, the concept finds resonance in the Akashic records, a repository of knowledge that transcends time and space. Similarly, the collective unconscious proposed by Carl Jung mirrors the notion that information is not confined to the boundaries of the physical realm, but is stored in a non-local ethereal field. The obscured light, veil of secrecy surrounding morphogenetic fields. The secrecy shrouding morphogenetic fields can be understood through a complex interplay of skepticism, entrenched dogmas, and societal norms. Rupert Sheldrake's daring proposition challenges the very pillars of established biological theories by suggesting that acquired traits could be inherited beyond the realm of genetics. This audacious claim disturbs the equilibrium of scientific orthodoxy, thus rendering it hesitant to embrace a concept that questions the boundaries of evolution and biological inheritance. Ancient sovereigns and the mastery of morphogenetic fields. Throughout the annals of history, stories emerge of kings and rulers who sought not only dominion over their kingdoms but also mastery over the hidden forces of the universe. In the esoteric corners of ancient civilizations, manipulating energy fields was not merely a fantasy. Legends and lore speculate that certain kings, perhaps initiated into ancient wisdom, delved into the mastery of morphogenetic fields. The possibility arises that these fields were harnessed to transmit wisdom across generations, influence the thoughts and actions of their subjects, and potentially even manipulate the fabric of reality. Enigmatic pharaohs and the Akhenaten. Enigma. In the cryptic corridors of history, the figure of Akhenaten, the pharaoh of ancient Egypt, stands as a testament to the potential intersection of morphogenetic fields and historical power. Akhenaten's radical shift towards monotheism and his singular devotion to the sun god, Aten, remain enigmatic puzzles that baffle historians to this day. Could Akhenaten have tapped into the hidden potential of morphogenetic fields, channeling ancient wisdom to reshape the spiritual and religious landscape of his civilization? Alchemy's arcane acolytes and morphogenetic fields. The annals of alchemical traditions, often associated with the quest for transmuting base metals into gold, carry deeper dimensions that extend into the alchemy of consciousness. The alchemist's aspiration transcended the mere physical transformation. It encompassed the elevation of human consciousness. In resonance with the principles of morphogenetic fields, where the boundaries of mind and matter blur, the alchemical pursuit might have been an endeavor to probe these fields to unlock latent human potential, transmuting the very fabric of the human spirit. Modern horizons and the unlocking of hidden potential. As the veils of secrecy begin to lift, contemporary scientists are taking bold steps to explore the potential applications of morphogenetic fields. From healing modalities that harness their resonant frequencies to the pursuit of expanded states of consciousness, the possibilities echo the aspirations of the ancient seers. However, the journey is fraught with challenges, as the fusion of science and the ethereal realms invites skepticism and resistance from the conventional paradigms. Conclusion. In the unfolding annals of time, the story we unearth is one woven with intricate threads, bridging antiquity and the present through the enigma of morphogenetic fields. While the hidden knowledge of ancient kings and visionaries may forever remain tantalizingly out of reach, our journey into these fields continues to enthrall the inquisitive minds of scientists and seekers alike, beckoning them to explore the realms that lie beyond the confines of conventional understanding. In this exploration, let us find solace in the pursuit of mysteries, understanding that the enigmas of the universe are as boundless as they are profound. As we conclude this illuminating expedition into the realm of morphogenetic fields, let us reflect on the insights we've gleaned and the questions that remain. From the echoes of ancient wisdom to the cutting-edge frontiers of modern science, the concept of morphogenetic fields has woven a tapestry that spans across time and space. I encourage you to continue your own exploration, to dive into the literature, engage in discussions, and let your curiosity drive you to new intellectual heights. The quest to understand these fields is not only a journey into the depths of science, but a journey into the depths of our own consciousness. Until we meet again, keep questioning, keep seeking, and keep pushing the boundaries of human understanding. Thank you for joining me on this journey. And remember, the universe's mysteries are as boundless as the stars in the night sky. Stay curious. This is MF Dynamics, signing off.